Humanity has always balanced between unity and disunity. Psychology tells us that cooperation, empathy, and belonging are our deepest survival instincts, while conflict and exclusion were once primitive responses to fear and scarcity. Yet history shows that larger, more cooperative groups outlasted fragmented ones, proving that unity is the stronger shield. Today, in our global interdependence, disunity no longer serves survival. It is maladaptive, a relic of aggression. The Bahá'í writings affirm this truth. Unity is the essence of human nature, luminous and noble, while disunity is ignorance and distortion. Science and revelation converge. Unity is ontological, disunity contingent. To understand unity, we must understand disunity, but only to transcend it.